How to remove checkboxes from desktop icons and folders in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to disable the small checkboxes that appear when selecting files. First, open File Explorer on your computer. After that, click on the three dots at the top of the window. From there, select Options from the drop-down menu. At this point, in the window that opens, click on the View tab. In the next step, scroll down through Advanced Settings until you find Use Checkboxes to select items. Following this, uncheck the box next to it. Once done, click Apply, then OK to save the change. From here, open any folder to confirm checkboxes no longer appear when hovering over files. At this stage, keep in mind this same setting also controls checkboxes appearing on desktop icons, since desktop icons use the same File Explorer view settings. Keep in mind, if checkboxes still appear on your desktop specifically, right-click on an empty area of the desktop, hover over View, and make sure no checkbox-related option is separately enabled there. Finally, restart your computer if the checkboxes don't disappear immediately to make sure the setting fully applies. And that's it. If this guide helped you remove checkboxes from desktop icons and folders in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.